Since ang dami nagtatanong kung legit daw ba si Orico eFax Portable SSD, check na natin ngayon dito sa Valid Drive. So, first of all, pwede natin i-download tong Valid Drive sa online. So, free lang yan. And ang gagawin lang natin is i-open natin yung pinaka-program. And then, check USB drive tayo. And then, ikakabit lang natin yung ating Orico SSD. Device inserted, obtaining device information. So, wait lang natin to for a few seconds. So, after niya ma-analyze, ganito yung lalabas. And then, i-validate natin. Click natin itong validate this drive. Yan na. So, as you can see, validated almost yung lahat. Actually, 100% validated siya. So, ito na yung pinaka-summary ng report ng drive. So, yan. So, na-check na natin na legit talaga si Orico Portable SSD. So, meron tayo ditong 512 GB. So, available din to in color green, color black, and color blue. And if you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below sa ating yellow basket here para ma-check out nyo na at magamit nyo na itong Orico Portable SSD.